So here's the 4 ways to make money in mobile coffee, a mobile coffee business. The first one is going to be catering. That's where one person buys coffee for everyone, like at a wedding, business conferences, that type of thing. The second way to make money is festival. It's what I call volume work. It's things like events, farmers markets, 5Ks, that type of stuff where there's a large crowd and you sell by the cup. The third way to make money in this industry is stationary setups. A lot of people think of it that way. For like a coffee truck, it might be setting up at a parking lot or creating a drive-through. Coffee cart might set up in a bookstore or something like that. But it's a stationary. It's where you sit in one place and they come to you. And then the last is the route. And there's been different ways to do this, but you start off at like a daycare and then go to an elementary school and then a medical office and then some banks, that type of thing. So those are the 4 ways, the 4 different methods of generating income in the mobile coffee industry. If you're thinking about this sort of thing, my name is Vincent. I own Green Joe Coffee School. I've been in business 10 years with coffee trucks and carts. And we have a free step-by-step checklist on the website. It's a great place to just start kind of churning the wheel. So click on the website, check it out there, and we'll take it from there.